Thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. Thank you for all y'all who keep coming back to this channel, and welcome all you new ones. I hope you guys go ahead and like this channel and stay and do all that good stuff. But in this video here, I am going to be making my honey mustard chicken. This is super yummy, super delicious. I mean, every time I say this, literally every single video, y'all, but really this stuff would be really bomb though. I'm not lying. If you try this recipe out and if you like this video, definitely don't be stingy. Go ahead and share, like, comment, subscribe, because you know why? It helps my videos out, y'all. Like, for real, it really do. So enough of the plug, let's get into the recipe. Alright, for this meal you're gonna need one whole pan. I cut up a little bit too many potatoes, let's just say the least. I went a little crazy on the potatoes, so I suggest you don't do as many potatoes as I did. I think I did about like 10 of them when I probably should have did about 4. But anyway, so as you see, I drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and just to let you know, I season my food to taste, and I don't like no bland food. So if I'm using too much whatever, just use less. Boom, baby, it's not a big deal. So what I did, it was use some black pepper and some garlic salt, and I just rubbed it all good and did all that good stuff. And make sure, you know, all of the potatoes and stuff were nice and seasoned. And then I did add a little bit more because, like I told y'all know what it is. And then I'm going to put some fresh green beans that I've already washed, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to drizzle some more olive oil on those, and then I am going to put my seasonings on there. I use some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some black pepper. Alright, now I'm going to have, as you can see in this bowl, I'm going to put my little honey mustard mixture. I'm going to put about 2, well, I'm going to say about 3 actually, tablespoons of honey. And then I'm going to put about a tablespoon of some Dijon honey mustard. And then I put another tablespoon of the seeded mustard as well. And some red pepper flakes because I like it a little bit of spice. Anywho, don't mind me, y'all. I'm recording this video in the middle of the night because my kids are quiet and asleep. So if I sound crazy, it's because I may be a little delirious at this moment. But it's alright though. It's okay. It's good. Okay. So anywho, we're gonna mix this all up. As you can see, this sauce right here, baby, was so dang good. Oh, let me tell you. Anyway. So once I'm done with the mixture and my chicken is clean and all that good stuff, I'm going to add some onion powder. I'm going to add some garlic salt because I love me some garlic salt, okay? And just let y'all know, I do not measure my food. I season my food to taste. I do me. And also put a dash of some smoked paprika and some black pepper. And a little bit of chili powder on there too. And then I'm just going to mix that all up and, you know, make sure all the seasoning and the spices are all even on all sides. After that, I just put a little bit of the sauce that I make. Not too much of it, because I will be using that same sauce to pour on top once it is done cooking. And once I mix the sauce and everything all in there, then I am going to place this chicken right on top of that pan that I just mixed with the potatoes and the green beans. See, like so. Yep. Then I'm just gonna place my chicken right on top of there. Yes, I am. And I already have my oven preheated to like 350, because the way my oven set up, 350 is just the only level that's where things don't burn, okay? But if you got a better oven than mine, then you do you, boo, and set it to whatever you needed to set it to. So I set mine to 350, and I cooked this for a good 30 minutes. Once it's done, look at that. Oh, that look good. That look good. Oh my God. The potatoes, that chicken. Oh my God, it was so dang good. Ooh, Lord. So I can't even. My mouth is just watering. Anyway, once you're done, you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of that sauce right on top of so, just like that, baby. That was a meal. That is a meal, okay? A good old meal. If you tried this recipe out, definitely let me know. And definitely share, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I appreciate all your love and support. I really do. Thank y'all so much for coming back to the channel and helping me grow and just doing all the things that you do. I'll catch y'all in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah!